First of all, my hearty felicitations to Dr. Ashish for reaching great heights of success. This is mere a beginning. I know he deserves and will achieve much and much more than this. Hi, I am Ekta Raj from Darbhanga, Bihar. I had severe pain in my hip joints. Before going to Delhi for my treatment, I was suggested by one of my friends to meet Dr. Ashish Singh. After getting positive feedback from some of his patients, I was there. I had an appointment with him. He suggested total hip replacement and referred the case to Dr. Ashish. I was scared and confused, but after having an appointment with Dr. Ashish, I was determined to have him only as my surgeon. After being mentally prepared, I was there for my pre-operative tests. There were staff members at each and every step for our assistance, starting from Mr. Rajiv Ranjan. In Dr. Ashish's language is Bajrang Bali, acquainted us with all the minute details. Then another staff was there with us from the collection of reports to the final approval of Dr. Anup Sinha. I am mentioning this minute detail as this was the first time when I realized how fantastic the management is. When I got admitted, I experienced this fantastic management at each and every step. Talking to Dr. Ashish and his team was soothing. I found the nursing team working hard with smiling face. Even the supervising staff were superb. Of course, I knew they were under mental pressure too. They knew that even the small negligence in the work won't be tolerated. Thanks to Dr. Ashish and his team for giving new strength and new life to my legs. Thanks to Mrs. Shilpi for such fantastic management for the comfort of patients. I wish Dr. Ashish reach the heights of success parallel to his father and make him the proudest one. Thank you.